Hey, welcome. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create an e-commerce store on WhatsApp, just like this one. This is different from WhatsApp business kind of store. I am referring to a fully functional online store that displays your products, enables customers to add to cart, check out, and also make payment. The sweetest part is it is totally free. You don't need to purchase any domain or hosting package to get it done. Just with your smartphone, you can create your online store and have it up and running in less than an hour. If this interests you, then follow me and let me show you how to create yours now. Welcome back. Kindly like this video so that YouTube can show it to more people that will need it. And please, if this is your first time of visiting my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the bell notification, because I publish new and valuable content every Thursday, and we discuss topics related to WordPress, Facebook advertisement, Canva, whiteboard animation, and the likes. We discuss topics that will help you save time, save energy, and also save money. And not just that, also make you more money. Okay, enough. Let's get started with today's training. Okay, guys, so welcome back. Now, the first thing you want to do is go to your Play Store and search for this application, WhatsApp. Search for this application, WhatsApp. Then click on install. So it depends on the type of phone you are using, the type of smartphone you are using, iPhone or Android. So go to your app store, then search for WhatsApp and install the application on your phone. So while it is installing, let's wait for it to install. Okay, so install the application. And so this is the application that we use to create the e-commerce store. All right, so it is loading. Then you click on open. So the first thing you want to do here is create an account, because you are a new user, right? So you create an account with them. So I'll be using an imaginary brand, which is Bami Foods. I actually created this last year. I have an asset that I've created for Bami Foods already. I created it last year while I was creating a tutorial on how to use Canva. So that's what I'll be using. So email address bamifood@gmail.com. As I've said, this is just an imaginary brand. This is not a real brand. Since I've created the asset, I have it already available. So I just thought of, let me use this same brand for this tutorial. So you type in the password. Hopefully I still remember this password. Okay, Bami Fu 123. Then you click on create account. So the next thing you want to do is go to your email. Can you see I've received the email? Go to your email to activate your account. Can you see I've received the email? Go to your email to activate your account. That's the next step after you have created the account. So just click on the activate and it will redirect you to the browser. So you can now go back to the WhatsApp application once you have clicked the link to activate your account. So go back to the WhatsApp application. So here you fill in your business details. As I've said, we'll be using Bami Foods. Bami Foods. Then let me just think of something here and type. We sell varieties of. So let me just type something here. I'm just thinking of this. So let me just look up something and Just have it here. We sell varieties of delicious African dishes, and we deliver swiftly to your doorstep anywhere you are in Lagos. Let's limit it to Lagos for now. Okay, so I think this is okay at affordable price. So I think this is okay. Okay, so my country is Nigeria, and the currency we spend in Nigeria is Naira. So what you do is click on continue. Then I have my logo. As I've said, I've created the brand asset for this brand Bami Food before. So you can also do the same thing using Canva. I have series of Canva video on my channel, so you can check and watch the video on how to use Canva in case you are new to Canva. So what do? I'll click on the add logo to add my business logo. So it depends on what you are selling. If it is digital product or physical product, just upload. If you have a logo, upload your logo. If it is your profile picture, upload it. So I have mine already, and let me locate it, updated logo, then select one out of this to use as example. So you can zoom out and zoom in. Okay, so let me add cover photo now. Cover photo, I've designed these two as well. Reposition and click on save. Okay, then click on finish. Click on finish. So you can see all of my details are here. We sell a variety of delicious African dishes. So click on finish, and let's move to the next step. So this is just like a questionnaire. So here is the thing. This platform or this application can be used to create polls, to create store, and can also be used as a CRM. But in our case here, we are developing an e-commerce store. So let's focus with the store aspect of this application. Click on continue. Then depending on your business, select one and click on continue. Just select one depending on your business. Now here you want to choose your business category, like that is the industry you are into. In our case, it is what? Restaurant or restaurant. So I'll select the cake, restaurant, and bakery category. Click on finish. So boom. Now this is where you set up your business info. Can you see? You set up your business info here, your number, social links. So you can see you can use this for CRM, store, and one other thing. But let's focus on the store aspect. But before then, you need to update your info or your profile. So click on info. So you see all of the images that you have uploaded and description that you added earlier. Now click on number. Okay, let me add my address. So put an address there. So this is not correct. So you can decide to add an address. Click on save. Then click on numbers. So tap on the plus icon to add number. So this could be the number of your customer care rep. So just click on the blue button. Then type in your WhatsApp number. So let me type in my WhatsApp number here as the customer care agent or rep. Can you see? So this thing is kind of easy. Now social links. So let's assume you have a a Facebook page, an Instagram handle. You can put all of this here. As I've said, I don't know who is watching. Depends on who you are, what your brand stands for, and what you are selling. So just click on this button, and I'll be using because this is just an imaginary brand, I'll be using my own personal URL, my own personal profile, just for us to see that, okay, when you click on this button, it is actually working, it works. So that's why I'll be using my personal profile. Do you get it now? So add your Facebook. If you have a Facebook page, just log in via a browser, copy the URL and paste. Do you get it now? Click on create. So we have created for Facebook. So let me create one more for my YouTube. So I'll select YouTube and I'll type in my channel URL. Okay, so we are done with adding social links. So let's assume we have external links, maybe a website. So if you have an external link that you want to include, so this is where you add the link. So just type in the name. So let me just put personal website. So I'll put in my personal website here just for the sake of this tutorial. As I've said, it's just a demo brand, as I've said. So let me look for an emoji like a laptop icon that suits the website, so people can know that, okay, I'm referring to website. Can you see? Then click on create. Okay, so the next thing is your domain. So this is where you type in the domain you want to use. Do you get it now? This is where you type in the domain you want to use. For the sake of this tutorial, I will use the second option. The first option is kind of tedious, and you need some technical knowledge. So let me just use Bami Food. So that would be like a subdomain under .wat.bz. Okay, so this is a subdomain. So if someone wants to visit your store, they will need to visit bamifood.wat.bz. Don't worry, there are link shorteners that you can use in case you don't want your URL to look like this. Do you get it now? So there are some link shorteners that you can use to make it more and more professional. All right, so click on save, and can you see this one is kind of tedious to do. The first option, set up following a recording, blah blah blah. I don't want to bore you with any technical details. So guys, that is that about that. We are done with the info or my biz section. So as I've said, leave the CRM of a thing. Our focus is on the store section now. So if you click on the dashboard, this dashboard icon here, you see that it is empty 000. This is because there is no order, nothing at the moment. So we'll revisit it though. We'll revisit it and review everything again. Orders, you see that this is also empty because there is nothing here at the moment. There is actually nothing here at the moment. So the first you want to do is add categories. So this depends on the industry that you are into, or the type of product you sell, or the type of your brand. For example, now let's assume you are into fashion. So you can decide to sell shoes. So shoe could be one category, wristwatch could be another category. What else? Bags could be, shoes could be another category. So you want to have all of these categories outlined. And if you do not have any category, that's still what? Fine. Do you get it now? But this helps you to group and categorize your product. So in my case, since we are talking about food, so I'll be having categories such as rice. I'll click on create to add. I'll add another one, beans. And swallow. If you are a Nigerian watching this, you will understand why I said swallow. You already know what swallow means. Do you get it now? So that's what I can think of at the moment. So this is just an example, as I've said. So we have 3 categories. You can add more categories if you like, but because of our time, because of our limited time, let's just stop here. So let's stop here for now, and you can add more if you want. So let's stop here, and we'll add, the next thing is to add products to each of these categories. So you can have multiple products under each category. Do you get it now? Like swallow, you can have pounded yam, you can have fufu, you can have eba or gari. Sorry for using some local languages here. I'm just trying to look for something you can relate with. Trying to look for something you can relate with. So click on products to add products. Now the next you want to do now is to add what? Add product. So you see swallow, beans, rice, and the likes, all of the categories. So let me start with rice. Click on add product. So jollof rice is the first type of product I want to add. Now this regular, let me explain something here. This regular price is just like saying, okay, the price of this product is 5,000 naira, but the selling price is 3,000 naira. So what happened is the 5,000 naira will be slashed out. So it looks as if you are running a discount. Do you get it now? So it looks as if you are running a discount. So let me just put 5,000 naira and the selling price. Let me use 3,000 naira. So this selling price, let me use 2,700 naira. Now, the reason why I love this platform is because it considers almost everybody that will be using the platform. So there are different units of measurement that you can use. Do you get it now? There are different units of measurement that you can use. So let's assume we type in 1. So what I'm saying is 1 plate. If you place order for 1 plate, you buy it at the selling price of 2,700 instead of 5,000 naira. Do you get it now? So here is the thing. There is nothing like plate as unit of measurement. So we'll just stick with piece, PCS or PIECE. So we'll select piece and we'll use that as an example. So it depends on what you are selling. You see different unit of measurement that you can use here. Different types. Different unit of measurement that you can use here. If you run a service and you want to charge by your time, you can do that. If you have bundled package, you can also do that. If you sell drinks, you can see there is a unit for bottle as well. So this platform is just awesome. So I'll stick with piece just for the sake of this tutorial. Then let's add our photos. So here you can add multiple photos. So I have the photos already. So let me select the jollof rice first and select more. So it's just like having gallery of images. This is kind of very important if you are selling fashion products, so that your customer can have a better view, of the visual of the product you are promoting. So here, make sure you put a descriptive description. Don't mind me, I'm just trying to put something there. So make sure it is very descriptive. Put something really okay. Try convince your customer to buy. stuff like that. Then this SKU means stock keeping unit. Now, here is the thing. I really don't use it. Don't really need to use it. It is kind of optional. It is more or less like a barcode that is used to track inventory in a retail store. So you don't need it. This URL, probably you have an external URL that you want to link with the product. So you can put it there, link it, so people can actually maybe place order or read more about the product. Maybe your sales speed, as I've said, depends on the product you are selling. So you can just type in the URL there, and you are good to go. So I will not be typing in anything here. I will just leave it as it is. Then I will click and let's see what happens. Awesome. Okay, so we have added our first product, jollof rice, 2,700. One piece is what, 2,700. So what I want to do now is I'll add more products. So in order not to waste our time, I'll just do all of this very, very fast. Do you get it now? Since you're ready now to add one product, so I'll do all of this very, very fast so that I will not waste our time. So the next one to add is fried rice. So let me just, I'll fast forward up this area. Okay, so all right, let's now talk about the shipping charges. So this is optional. You can decide to charge for your delivery or not. Do you get it now? So let me break down what this flat and percentage means. When you say flat, it means it is fixed. Your shipping fee is what? Fixed. So if a customer places order for so amount, it is what? Still what? Fixed. But percentage, you are saying, okay, charge 10% of the total amount of my order, of the customer's order rather, as delivery fee. So this flat, once you type it in, it is fixed, no matter the amount the customer is placing order for, either above or below, unless there is a stated condition. As you can see, applicable only if order amount is less than. So I'll add details there. So can you see? So I'm trying to say, okay, I have decided to charge 1,500 naira for delivery. So just follow me, guys. Follow me. So what this means is, okay, if the total amount of order is less than 10,000 naira, charge 1,500 naira as delivery fee. But if it is more than 10,000 naira, then there will be no charges for delivery. So you can decide to get your own figures as well. So this shipping charges note is like a message at the top of your checkout button. So the customer will see, okay, the vendor has something to tell me about the delivery. Can you see? So delivery is free in Lagos. You can only pay 1,500 if you're outside Lagos. So don't worry, this is just an example. Can you see? So this will show up before someone actually check out. So click on save and you are good to go. So just determine the charge calculation you want to use. Okay, the next thing is the checkout. So let's talk about checkout now. Let's talk about checkout. So here it is where you check out, where the customer visits and check out. So what I'm trying to say here is this: if the minimum order of the customer placed order for, or let's say if the customer placed order for this also amount, which is not up to this amount, then make sure he or she is unable to check out, which is very bad. So you want your customers to check out even if they are buying so products. Then let's move to form. So this is where you collect your customers' data. This is where they fill in their data for this is where they fill in their data so they can so I can actually receive the details of your customer. So you have you receive the name, toggle on the email, so just select everything you want here. Select everything you want, then click on so this checkout note. If you have any information that you want to pass across, you can put it here. Can you see? So you can put it here. If you have any information at all others outside Lagos will take this also number of days. State it there. So let this just your vendors know. So I'm saying all others outside Lagos will be delivered in 3 hours. So this is just an example though. Click on save and you are good to go. Now, WhatsApp checkouts. So there are 2 types of checkouts here. You can use their own native checkout or use your WhatsApp number checkout. Though I prefer and I recommend option 1, which is use this WhatsApp official number instead of your WhatsApp number. So what this means is that whenever someone places an order on your store, the WhatsApp application will be able to track and manage that order. But if you select this other option, the customer will be able to place order on WhatsApp, but you'll not be able to track your details. You get it now? So let's use the first one and you click on save. All right, now mobile number. Now this is very, very important. You need to pay serious and maximum attention here. So here you want to filter out unserious customers, time wasters, because there are some people that will want to place order and probably just test your order form and use a wrong details. Do you get it now? A wrong phone number. So if they did not receive the OTP that was sent to them, they will not be able to check out. They will not be able to place their order. Do you get it now? So with the OTP helps you to verify the customer if they are real or not. Do you get it now? So I will advise you to what? Enable the OTP verification. So once you do that, you can then click on what? Save. As simple as that. So allow your customers to check out with their mobile phone or number. While checking out, if users select a payment gateway other than pay later, we will always ask. So just click on save and you are good to go. Okay, so now to the payment menu, or to the payment gateway, or to the payment option. You will see there are different options here, right? So this pay later is just like paying on delivery, payment on delivery. Once you have seen what you order, you can pay. But you see this Stripe, if you are a Nigerian watching this, you know we do not have access to create accounts. Do you get it now? So we'll just focus on pay later. Sorry, we'll focus on Paystack. I'll show you how you can integrate Paystack as your payment method. But the first thing you need to do is make sure you already have an account with Paystack. That's very important. If you don't have one yet, Just Google search Paystack or visit paystack.com to open an account. So just open the account, activate it, and that's all. So this is all will happen. I'll show you how to integrate this, which means I would be using my own keys. So click on the enable, just toggle the enable button. So I'll go to my account. I'll log into my Paystack account now. Then I'll show you how to get these publishable keys, secret keys. So here is the thing. This publishable key is same thing as your public key. So let me log into my Paystack dashboard so I can show you this, how you can integrate your Paystack with your WhatsApp store. So you can see, guys, I'm risking this to show you my live keys, though I would blur this area, so in case you're watching it, don't be worried. Okay, so copy the live public key. Okay, so before then, let me show you how to locate this. Just scroll down to settings, scroll down to settings. Then you see it will take you to profile. From profile, just jump to what? API keys and web hooks. Can you see? So we'll copy all of these details: live secret, live public secret. So you can see I've copied the public live key. So it's the same thing as this publishable key. Can you see that I've pasted it? Then I'll do the same thing for the secret key. So let me copy it, enter my password, and let me copy it. Can you see? Awesome. Now, once you have done this, you copy this webhook URL. You copy it and then paste it. Copy this URL, copy it, then go to your Paystack dashboard and paste it there. Can you see? Click on Save Changes and booyaka, you're almost done. So because we are not live yet, and you should also do the same thing, make sure you turn on the test mode so that customers' money does not enter voicemail. Do you get it now? So make sure you enter the test mode, enable the test mode, and also copy the test secret key. Copy the test secret key, test public key, copy everything for this for the what's it called, for the test form now. Okay, so paste the secret key, and that is all. That will be all. It is correct though. That will be all. Then you can now save. So you have successfully enabled or integrated your payment option, which is what? Paystack. Can you see? Before it was not enabled though. So we are done with the settings, and with the payment settings rather. So click on settings. So you can have multiple stores under one account. You get it now? You can have multiple stores under one account. So so guys, check this what's it called, the URL. This CRM and the other option, we have nothing to do with those two. So let's go preview our online store that we have just created. So if you want to share, you can use this share button. If you want to visit, use the other blue button. So anybody that wants to visit your website should use this bamifood.waz.b.bz. So provided I've not killed this particular page, you can also visit and also see. Can you see how beautiful it is? Can you see how beautiful it is? We have your logo, my cover picture, description. Now these links, now I said the purpose of putting them there is for you to know that okay, it actually works. So I'll just click on one of the link, which is the link to my YouTube channel. I'll click on that. So can you see it will redirect me to my channel? Can you see? So that's that about that. And the website, let's see. As I've said, this is just a brand, this is just a demo account, right? So we are just showing, I'm just trying to show you that okay, all of this stuff works. All of this stuff what actually works. So this is where you have everything. So this is my website. If you also have a website, put it there. So you can decide to add to home screen or not. So these are all of the products that we currently have in our store. Can you see everything has been listed? Everything has been listed. Can you see? So Swallow, you have products under Swallow, you have products under Beans. So you can see, guys, you can change your view. Is this not awesome? Like nobody will know that I use this unless they check the URL. Can you see? This is very, very okay. This is the gray format, the grid view. So this is very, very okay. So we can. So let's assume to place a demo order so that you can have an overview of what the platform is all about. Okay, so pay more attention to the cart now. You will see there will be an increase. Can you see I've added one, added two. So we have 4 products in our cart, even though 2 products are from same person, from same category. Sorry. So what do you do? Click on cart and then click on continue. So these the products, the other details that the customer is trying to place order for. So they can review it here and make any amendment. Can you see the delivery charge notice was there too? Delivery free in Lagos is free in Lagos. You only pay blah blah blah. Do you get it now? So can you see the payment gateways that we have added? Pay stack and pay later. So this pay stack can decide to use your bank, your credit card. Okay, so after this, you fill in your name. My name is Adeke Samuel, and email address. Input your email address. Okay, guys. So I'll fast forward this place. Okay, so here the customer can also drop a note for the vendor. So probably you need to say something very important. So once all of these are done, can you see the notice before they check out? All orders outside Lagos State will be delivered in 3 hours. I stated this and I'll show you how to do that. So click on continue. Now this is where it gets interesting. You cannot have unserious customers. So here you type in the number. Sorry, the customer will type in their number and an OTP will be sent to that number via WhatsApp. So they need to type in the OTP first before they can go ahead. Without typing the OTP, then there will be no way to go through the next step. So I've typed in my number and let me expect the OTP message from WhatsApp. Okay, so from here I've received the OTP. Then I will type in the OTP and click on verify and confirm order. Can you see? So I can decide to pay. Can you see? I just received the order. Can you see? I just received the other details. So I can decide to pay with card. So these are just demo cards that have been pre-filled. These are just demo card. For the sake of this, don't forget our store is still in test mode. So I'll just select success. So let's see how it looks like. Then click on pay NGN 12,400. Boom. Yay, order placed. So we have all of the other details here. The amount, the time and date, the customer's phone number. So everything is here. So we can also see all of the other details on the WhatsApp app. So the date, order by who, checkout time. Can you see? I also receive a receipt from Paystack. Can you see? Telling me about the payment. Though this is a test transaction, but still they are telling me, okay, someone made a payment. So it will still be the same thing even when it is live. You get it now? So you have all of the details here. So you know what to do with it. Process the order or what. So let's look at the items that the person placed order for. So fried rice, 2 plates, jollof fries, 2 plates as well. Wow. So this is awesome. So activity shows like the workflow of the customer. They visited your store, added a product to cart, and added another one to cart, which is fried rice. Then the what? Place order. So you can also decide to actually share receipt with the customer. So just click the share receipt and you'll be able to share receipt. So the benefit of this is that you can initiate conversation with your customer. Is that not awesome? Initiate conversation with your customer. From there, you can close more and more deals. More and more deals. So guys, I hope you are enjoying this training. If yes, kindly like this video so that YouTube can show it to more people. Give it a thumbs up so that YouTube can show it to more people like you. Don't hold this type of information. Share with people that I think they would need it. No, it's not everybody that is a techie, so they need a simple solution like this. So now let's check what's it called, our order. Let's just see our website again. So guys, please, if you got value from this video, kindly like the video, comment on the video. We need your feedback. Comment on the video. Let me see and let me know what you think about this training. If you really got value, comment on the video. And yeah, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe. Hit the subscribe button below to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my content, my valuable content, just like this one. So guys, that'll be all for now. See you in my next video.